Hello, in this example we are going to see how we can switch to active element on the current page. So let's create a test method. Test switch to active element, pass driver and logger instance. Switch to active element. First, let's create page object, comma logger, open URL, element, print results, log the result. So logger.info and then result is equal to result. Then run it. -n key, test method name. Test is running. Oh, no internet connectivity. Let's rerun. So, okay, this time it's running. I think there was a short delay in network connection. It's done. Let's see the report. Result is equal to an element. Thank you.